So a few weeks ago, I went ahead and did a design competition on DesignBro. We paid 5 designers to go ahead and design a fake brand called Aurora Gin. Difference being this gin was going to be 0% alcohol, but it had to look good enough for those who even enjoy alcohol to drink. We didn't want anyone to be alienated. So I gave them the brief and they went ahead and designed all of the work, and you guys had the vote on who would win. To be precise, over 17,000 of you voted for these designers, and there's over like 700 comments back to the designers, which is insane. But with a vote of 3,676 total vote clicks, this design won, which was not my ultimate favorite, but by a few clicks extra, this design won by George C at 81.8%. If I'm being honest, I preferred the Miguel one, but Miguel came in a close second with his design, then by Emma, by Ink, and then Rich. If you want to see this video, then go ahead to my channel, you'll see it, and stick around, maybe subscribe so you never miss another I Paid video, which we'll be doing very soon.